Imagine a quilt that combines your love of reading with your passion for quilting. That's exactly what bookshelf quilts offer. These creative designs feature rows of fabric books on shelves, allowing you to showcase your favorite literary genres and add a touch of bookish charm to any room. Bookshelf quilts are more than just blankets. They're personalized works of art that reflect your unique interests and style. You can customize the fabric choices to represent specific books, add tiny details like book titles, or even include miniature trinkets on the shelves. The possibilities are endless, making each bookshelf quilt a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Let's explore free bookshelf quilt patterns that are perfect for both beginners and experienced quilters. First up is the adorable bookshelf block by Krista of 4 Robins. This charming pattern features a simple design that's ideal for creating a mini quilt or combining multiple blocks for a larger project. Next, we have the Bookcase Quilt Tutorial by Didi Concepcion of Love from Orlando. This pattern provides step-by-step instructions with photos, guiding you through the process of creating a quilt that resembles your own book collection. Our third free pattern is the Mini Bookshelf Quilt by Elizabeth of Don't Call Me Betsy. This scrap-friendly design is perfect for using up leftover fabric pieces. It features an array of fabric books, each with its own unique spine and title. Bookshelf quilts offer several benefits beyond their visual appeal. They're a great way to use up fabric scraps, allowing you to repurpose materials you already have. So why not give bookshelf quilting a try? Choose one of these free patterns, gather your favorite fabrics, and start creating a quilt that tells your own story. With a bookshelf quilt, you'll have a cozy keepsake that combines the warmth of a handmade blanket with the joy of your favorite books. For even more bookshelf quilt patterns and inspiration, be sure to visit ilovequiltingforever.com.